Hello YouTubers, this is Larry. I'm down here in Newport News, the main drag. Go down and take a look at a tugboat. This is the first one built by Newport News Shipyard. Everybody's doing good today. Nice day out today. I guess it's probably about 42, 43. Not too bad. You got the right clothes on. I just got gas yesterday, and gas has really gone up at 90 cents in the last 4 or 5 weeks. I don't understand it. Anybody know why it went up, or any theories? And here we are at the winter time. That's when gas is supposed to be cheap. Speed bumps in the parking lot. I was building 520 and 521. No, they're not the same build. They weren't built at the same time. I just work out that building. Work out a lot of buildings. Hurricane come up, we got a computer center there. And hurricane come up, we would go in there and spend like 36 hours in case something breaks down in the computer center. Because the computer center go down, whole shipyard goes down. So of course we slept in there. It's a tugboat. Dorothy. Take a look at it, get a little closer look. They made the hills here kind of look like waves are coming off on the tugboat. There's my old girl, shining in the, sparkling in the sun. Go over and take a look at the sign and see what year it's built. I forgot what year it's built. "90-foot tugboat. Dorothy Hill #1 was delivered by Newport News Shipbuilding in 1891. She's an old one, first one. Take a walk around here and take a look at her. If I don't fall down this hill, you'll have something to laugh about. That's where they build all the aircraft carriers in the United States. Keeps all of it safe. They build other things at the shipyard too, submarines, some repairs of other boats. They really share. It's kind of weird they share building submarines with another company in Guadalajara, Connecticut. That's where it is. They build half of them. I say we. I used to work here. I don't work here anymore. That's foundry over there. I take that back. Foundry's down that way. That's the oxygen plant. Got a big air conditioning system in there. Cools a lot of the shipyard. Pipes it in, pipes it different places. Well, that's a Dorothy, y'all. She's been around a long time. That building over there is old as dirt too. That's built in '86. She's been around a long time. I forget what year that was built. On one of these days, I'm gonna do a thing of the whole shipyard. try to. I did it one time and it didn't come out because that's before I knew you're supposed to have internal speaker. All right, y'all. I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. I'm doing it just for fun. That's all. And have a good time with it. It's my hobby. And I'm trying to get the old guy something to do. Y'all have a nice day. And give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. And I say subscribe. And hit the bell. That way if something else comes up I put on there, it'll come right straight to you. Y'all have a nice day now. You hear?